Meet Diana, a passionate traveler who wants to explore the world. She's excited about going to Rio de Janeiro with her friend Stephanie. As this will be Diana's first time in Brazil, she wants to be well prepared. Diana spends a lot of time browsing the internet for information and estimating travel costs. After coming across many contradictory opinions and tips, she still has many questions. How much will all of this cost? Is it safe to carry cash with me? Will my debit card be accepted there? What if I run out of cash? Worrying about finances while traveling is the last thing Diana wants to do. Luckily, there's a solution. Trip. Trip is a mobile application that assists you in all money-related issues regarding your journey and makes you feel in control of your finances. Starting with the planning of her journey, Trip helps Diana make a more accurate budget estimate by analyzing the spending of other travelers and taking into account current price levels in Brazil. Trip also informs Diana about the best ways to make payments, the acceptance of her debit and credit cards, and all transaction fees that apply for using them. By connecting to Diana's banking application, Trip analyzes her spending and makes sure it's under control. When Diana needs to withdraw cash, Trip shows her a map of all nearby ATMs, exchange bureaus, and their rates. Furthermore, Trip gives her smart savings tips and allows her to easily split costs with her friend Stephanie. When both friends decide to take a spontaneous but expensive helicopter ride over Rio, Diana uses Trip to get an instant loan and insurance, which are only a few clicks away. Now Diana can really enjoy her journey and rely on Trip for her finances. Trip. Redefining boundaries.